Okay, so let's talk about
Pag-uwi nga pala namin kanina galing hospital, sobrang lakas ng ulan.
Late night, ano perfume ng boyfriend mo?
Brooklyn, New York Army.
Best men's perfume right now.
For me, New York Army.
Another Brooklyn. Question, anong perfume sa lalaki mabuo talaga?
New York Army.
Brooklyn?
New York Army.
Brooklyn. One perfume na always mumasel sa guy.
New York Army.
Subukan nyo rin itong hydrophobic waterproof Paramox mga guys. Kung gusto nyo mapanatili ang kita ng inyong masasakyan at pagkaroon ng
This is my crumpets. Wait. So this is my crumpets. Bye.